I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to add a custom field to your shop. On the application of Shopify, you will go to Shopify app. Here in this page, you will go to this sign and you will click. In this page, you will go to the sign of settings. You will go to general settings. And then in this page, we'll wait a moment. In this page, you will find this page you will find the meta fields and you will add it here. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.